subscribe to Rocking Girls and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna try this super peeling liquid shiny foot, which is from the brand Tonymoly. I hear a lot about this kind of peeling liquid and I'm gonna try this for the first time, as well as I'm gonna try this brand for the first time. So let's see how is it work. This is the outer packaging. It is a normal cardboard box packaging. In the box you get peeling liquid, plastic sheet and a shiny foot cream as a sample product. I want to show you the previous condition of my feet. It is super duper dry and rough feet. At first I have to put both the sheets on my feet. That is how the sheets look like. There is a cottony layer within it. So now I have to pour the liquids into both sheets. Then secure it with a knot and the one-sided tape which is provided. Now I have to wait until my foot skin absorbs the liquid totally. It will take approximately 60 to 90 minutes. After that, take off the sheets and wash my feet until the peeling liquid is washed out totally. And this is the fourth day, and as you can see guys, the dead cells are started falling off from my feet. And at the day of 12 I got this kind of smooth and soft feet. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you guys new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.